Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your Bluetooth device appears to keep disconnecting randomly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The reasons are various, including power issues and Bluetooth driver issues. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to modify the Bluetooth power settings. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to right click on a start menu. And dito ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung device manager. So once na open mo na itong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung Bluetooth. And then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And the next step ay iselect lang natin dito yung ginagamit natin na Bluetooth device. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is select and right click. And select mo lang dito yung properties. So, dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa taas ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung power management. So, click mo lang yan. And then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-check tong allow the computer to turn off this device to save a power. So, kailangan naka-check tong box and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright. And hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to restart the Bluetooth service, mga kaibigan. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to select again or click on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then once na-open mo na tong services, and then dito sa services local at dito sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Bluetooth support service. Alright? So once na-locate mo na tong Bluetooth support service, so ang gagawin mo lang is select and right click. And then if it is not running, you can right click and then select yung start. So since grayed out yung start, so ang gagawin natin dito ay i-click mo lang dito yung restart. If it is running, kailangan natin itong i-click tong restart, and then next step dito sa kanyang restart other services, and then click mo lang dito yung yes, and then wait natin na ma-complete yung restart. Okay, so once complete na yung restart, and then next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click ulit dito. So double click, and then dito sa kanyang properties, dito lang sa general, and then dito sa startup type. So, kailangan mo lang select dito yung automatic, and then next step ay dito sa baba, click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay, alright? And then, another solution na pwede natin gawin is to update your Bluetooth driver, mga kaibigan. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to select or click on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung device manager. And then, kailangan mo lang click dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito or i-select mo dito yung Bluetooth. And then, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung ginagamit natin na Bluetooth device. So, select and right-click. And then, kailangan mo lang i-tap tong update driver. So, click mo lang yan. And then may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers and then browse my computer. And then itap mo lang tong search automatically and wait natin. So the best drivers for your device are already installed. So after dito sa device manager, and then close lang natin yan. At dito sa start menu, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Bluetooth keeps disconnecting randomly in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.